Here's how to export your sequence with the newest version of Premiere Pro. We click on this export button and it takes us to the export area, and we want to give our file a name. So I could change the name here if I wanted to. Let's call it Hoverboard Music Video. The location is this link, which we would click on, and then we could use the finder to select where I want my music video to go. I say save. Now it hasn't saved nor rendered it yet. We've only designated the location of where it will save it. The preset can be left to this match source default setting, but for the format, make sure it's H.264 to keep the file small. It combines small file size with high quality. While we're here, let's have a look at the sidebar on the left where you see that media file is selected, but notice that there's some shortcuts to exporting for YouTube and Vimeo as well. We didn't use that because I wanted to show you the important choices of the name, location, preset, and format. With those choices made, now we head towards the lower right of the interface. This is where you can see information based on the choices you made. Make sure you've got the range selected that you want, usually entire source as it is here. We then say on the lower right, export. The blue export button is the one we want to click, and this will take a little bit of time. It finishes the render, and if I hide Premiere and I go look for my file, here is the file. This is my hoverboard music video.mp4. You might want to play it and check it with a Mac. I can hit the space bar and that will play the video and the sound. And if you don't hear any sound, you got to figure out why. I've got my computer sound down so I can talk to you. I'm going to just drag through this to check it, but you watch and listen to the whole thing to make sure that it's good. Make sure that it looks and sounds right, and that is the lesson.